Howdy folks, today I've just bought a little package from my local hobby shop. I'm not sure if this is going to ever come in handy or if I'm ever going to need it, but I wanted a little bit of a stand to raise up the SR71 that we're currently working on. Because when it comes to the landing gear, you have to put the landing gear in early, so I just need something to raise it up. So I found this at the local hobby shop. It's quite a reasonable price, it wasn't expensive. It's a stand to raise your aircraft off the ground when working on them. It's for 72 scale to 48 scale. It's made by Master Piece Models, and it's basically an acrylic stand. You do have to assemble it, and then hopefully it works. You do get the rubber bands to attach it so it doesn't move, but I'm not sure about that. But let's take a look inside what this consists of. So what's inside the box? So this is how it comes. You get this part here is your main stand. It's got protective paper over it, so it is made of a clear acrylic. This is all your parts in this bag, and then we have a little bit of a paper. Sadly, no instructions, that's it, so we're going to have to figure this out. So as for all the parts in the bag, these bags always come in handy, especially resealable bags. Never throw them away. So we've got 3 large end pieces. We have 2 smaller ones. You can either keep the paper on or take it off. Rubber bands always come in handy. I'll probably never use them to strap my aircraft down. We have these pieces here. There's 4 of them. And nuts and bolts. And just like some rubber pads to stick on the bottom. So I'm not sure how we can do this. I'm going to have to look at the box and try and figure it out. But I've got a funny feeling, I think it goes, you bolt it down this way, because inside here are little notches and they sit into these grooves. And obviously you're using the bolts and wing nuts, I think they call them. In case of just adjusting how you want to do your aircraft. So we've gone ahead and done this now, put this together. It's quite sturdy. We have these wing nuts at the back which does the tightening and stuff. It's quite sturdy. We have got the rubber pads if you wish to put them on. I think it's going to work alright. And obviously these ones here is the ones you adjust, and the same on this side for your wings. I think these cutouts is for your nose and tail to sit into, but as I want to use it for my SR71, I probably won't need these notches. So this is where we're currently at. Actually, the notches might work because it's got a bit of a wobble. Yeah, I think that's going to work. We're going to have to bring this in slightly. Yeah, I think that's going to work. Yeah, that's quite sturdy. I think that's going to work for what we need. So yeah, it's a pretty damn cool idea, but however, I don't know how much we're going to use of this. But yeah, if you are interested of getting one of these, I will leave a link in roughly where you can get it from. I'll probably leave the link to master price models itself, but yeah, I don't know. Tell me if you have anything similar to this in your stash and how well you get on with it, if it's worth having. I don't know, but yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.